Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel. Today I do have another tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna do my infamous perm rod set. I had a lot of people asking me about it from my natural hair journey video. So I'm starting out with stretched hair. I used a blow dryer to just go ahead and stretch my hair out as much as possible, only because this is gonna make my curls come out a little bit longer than when you do it on freshly washed hair. It also was such a more easy process. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair into the desired look I want. I think I'm gonna try bangs. So I'm gonna leave out a couple bang pieces and then go ahead and pin up the rest of my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is parted and pent up, I'm going to go ahead and use my spray bottle and wet it just a little bit, enough for each strand to be semi-coated so that it can soak up the product. And the product that I'm going to be using today is my go-to Cantu. I'm going to use my shea butter one today. My twisted, I used the argan oil one, but I really love the shea butter one better. It has more slip. That argan oil one is like pretty thick and like creamy versus the shea butter kind. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to my hair just enough so that the product can soak through so that my curls can come out defined. Using two different sets of perm rods. I have the creamish ones, I think is the color, or peach, and then I also have a purple. The purple ones are small. I like those because the curls come out a little bit better, but I'm going to do the smaller ones in the front and the longer ones in the back. So what you want to do is place your perm rod on the hair, and then you're just going to wrap and twirl your hair around it. And that twirling is going to create the nice ringlets. So you do want to get a nice twist on that. And then I go ahead and roll it up like a regular roller. If you need extra product, go ahead and add extra product to smooth the ends down on that perm rod. And I'm going to do it a couple more times just so you guys can see it again. So again, wetting the hair, adding a little bit of product, not too much water, not too much product, because you don't want it to be too wet, because then that's going to defeat the purpose of stretching it out. So you're going to go ahead and get your perm rod, place that midway up the hair wherever you want your ringlets to start. Then you're going to take your hair and twirl your hair around the perm rod. And once you get to the end, smooth your end on there just so it stays in place. And then go ahead and roll it up like a roller, and you're done. Excuse my dance break. I was jamming to, who is it, Travis Scott, Butterfly Effect. That's my song, y'all. While I was jamming out too much to the music, I ended up squirting too much water on my hair, but that's okay, because like I said, the finished look is still going to be the same. I just wanted it on dry, stretched out hair because that look is going to be more elongated. Okay, all done. It's all nice and neat. I'm just showing a quick close-up so you see the overall gist of what it's gonna look like once you're done. And then I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm tired, y'all. Okay, so now it's the next morning. You're gonna go ahead and take them down. So I just like to unravel in the direction of the spiral curl. So you're just gonna do that all the way through when taking them down. Next, I like to go through and start my separation process. So what I do is I kind of untwist it, and after that, wherever the hair naturally wants to separate, I take that piece and then I twirl it around my finger in the direction that it wants to go. And sometimes you're not really sure what that direction is, so you just have to look at it and see which look comes out better. Sometimes it'll come out elongated and just a perfect spiral. Other times, if you're going the wrong direction, you'll see it flips in all kinds of crazy directions. So that's your way to tell if you're unraveling it the correct direction. Ta-da! Now that I'm all separated, I'm looking like Curly Sue. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pick and go ahead and pick it out since they're all like tight and stuck to my head. So I'm gonna try to loosen up the curls a little bit to make my hair have more volume. After picking it out with the bangs, this is how it looked for me, which I'm not feeling. I look like little Bo Peep who lost her sheep. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back in and switch that up a little bit. I think I'm gonna add a middle part to it and see how I like that. Alright, and there you have it, a nice perm rod set on stretched natural 4C hair, and it came out cute. If you guys like this tutorial and you want more natural hair tutorials, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.